Now I would like to begin with you that how these formulae can be further used. As the results used in the compound angles were sine of A plus B. The first result was sine of A plus B is equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. This result, this identity, this formula we have used for the purpose of finding the value of the trigonometric angles which are not direct. Similarly, there is another result sine of A minus B. This is sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. If these two results were added, on adding, what we will get? In the right hand side, these two portion will cancel out, cos A. So, obtaining few new results with the help of the previous result, this kind of job considers the chapter transformation of formulae. If I ask you to subtract these results, what we will get? We will get sine of A plus B minus of sine A minus B is equals to, on subtracting, this part will be negative, this part will become positive. So, this part will cancelled, the left part will be 2 cos A sin B. Similarly, two new more results can be developed by using identities. Cos A minus B is equals to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Another result is cos of A plus B is equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. If these two values, these two results added, we will get, on adding these two, the left hand side cos of A minus B plus cos A plus B become equal to, after cancelling sin A sin B positive and negative, right hand side will be 2 cos A cos B. If I ask you to subtract, we will get cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B gives us, on subtracting, this will become negative, so cancelled, this will become positive, so on adding, this become 2 sin A sin B. So these are the allied results based on the previous formulae, and when we will discuss, we will solve some problems based on these four type of results, that is 2 sin A cos B. Result is to be taken as sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. 2 cos A sin B, this is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. 2 cos A cos B in product can be expanded as cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. 2 sin A sin B can be written as cos of A minus B minus cos A plus B. And converting these results in some more forms is to be taken in the subtopic of trigonometry, that is transformation of formulae.